I am going to grow some sunflowers. These are from our sunflower plants last year and we kept the seeds. So we're going to experiment and see if these are going to germinate. So here we are, we've got soil. I'm going to put a seed in each pot. Cover it with soil and water it. Keep it indoors and see if they grow. One, two, oh, no, we're going to grow 5, not 6. This compost is for filling these pots. Oh, hello, do you want some food? We have a visitor, honey. It's Mr. Robin. He's been very brave. Stalking around, doing his nosy, wondering what I'm doing. I wonder if I put some food in my hand and stay long enough here, will he go and get the food? Because I am tempted. There we are. 5 sunflower seeds planted. I'm going to water them and see what comes of them. I'll report back next week.